Hi guys, my name is Antonio. So in this video, we will be talking about borders. So let's go to the tutorial.
Today we're going to talk about borders. First, let's draw an L shape to make things easier to explain. If you've watched the previous videos or are already using the new layout in the system, you may have noticed that the drawing area is now white. From now on, this will be the default interface. If the lines of your drawing appear completely white and are hard to see, just go to Settings by clicking the gear icon. As I showed in the settings video, one edge is always set as default. To make it easier to visualize, you can change its color. Simply click the pencil icon and select a darker color. If your edge shows the black and white checkerboard pattern, it means no color has been assigned. In this case, choose a color that stands out against the white background. This way, every time you add an edge to a line, it will remain visible. Don't forget to save your changes. Now we're ready to start. In this new layout, you no longer need to create groups to add a border. Just left-click on the line where you want to apply it, and the border menu will open automatically. From there, pick the size you want and click Apply. For example, I'll add a bump out to the bottom line. I'll set gap B to 5, keep the height at 3, and set gap D to 5 as well. Done. Next, I'll add another bump out border on the top line of the L-shaped countertop. Now, how can we edit the border vertices? You'll use the pointer tool. With it selected, just click on the point you want to adjust and drag the line. These points are called splits, and I explain them in more detail in the Draw tutorial, which you can find in the card above, along with all the other Drawing 3.0 tutorials on our channel. Basically, with the pointer tool, you can move the lines in any direction, up, down, sideways, or even at an angle. Going back to the Borders tool, if you left-click again on the border you created, a different border menu will appear with some important options. Standard removes the border and returns the line to a straight shape. When this happens, the line may still contain splits. You can use the pointer tool to delete each split until it returns to its original form. All done, I've deleted all the splits. Now going back to the Borders tool, just click on the border again. Invert flips the border inward. If you want to place it back outward, just click on the border again and select Invert once more. You can also delete the border completely or hide the size from the layout if needed. That's it for today, folks. See you in the next tutorial.
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact the support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you can go inside SlabWare.com and start a free trial right now.